Judges denied Sean Diddy Combs' request to delay his trial. Combs was back in court for a pre-trial hearing today that lasted just about 2 hours. Alice Gaynor was there and has more on the judge's rulings.
Sean Diddy Combs entered the courtroom in tan prison clothing and hugged an attorney. His mother and one of his sons were there, as well as a man wearing a Free Puff shirt. The judge denied the defense's motion to delay the trial by 2 months. The defense also wanted what the judge called an entire universe of documents related to one of the alleged victims who used to work for Combs. At a hearing Monday, the defense accused prosecutors of cherry-picking emails and chats related to this person, and the defense wanted all of their emails. The government said it didn't have access to all of this person's work emails, likely 200,000 of them. The judge denied the defense's request and told them they needed to point to specific items they believed weren't turned over. The judge also ruled one of the alleged victims will have to turn over drafts of their memoir, but they won't have to turn over financial documents the defense also requested. 3 alleged victims will testify using pseudonyms, but their identities will be known to the parties and the jury. And outtakes from 2 specific interviews in the documentary The Fall of Diddy are admissible. An attorney for Warner Brothers was in court and said they'd hand them over end of next week. The next court date in the case is scheduled for next Friday. Outside of the federal courthouse in Lower Manhattan, Alice Gaynor, CBS News, New York.
An opening statements in the trial is set for May 12th. Combs has pleaded not guilty.